In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whiteboard in Zoom. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, walking through a process, or teaching a concept, the Whiteboard tool gives you a clean, shared space to sketch, type, and highlight your points in real time. First, join a Zoom meeting. You can hop into a scheduled meeting or an instant one. The important thing is that you're inside the meeting window before you try to access the whiteboard. Make sure your audio is connected and your screen layout is comfortable, because once the whiteboard is up, you'll be focusing on the canvas. If you're not the host, keep in mind that the host may control sharing permissions, so the next step will only be available if sharing is allowed. Next, click Share Screen. On desktop, you'll find this as a green button along the bottom toolbar of the Zoom window. If your controls are hidden, just move your mouse to bring them back into view. Clicking Share Screen opens a new window that shows all the things you can share, from individual apps to your entire screen. In that window, select Whiteboard. Look for the option labeled Whiteboard with a simple icon that looks like a blank canvas. This choice opens a dedicated space designed for drawing and writing, separate from your desktop or any other app. If you see several sharing options, make sure the one you pick specifically says Whiteboard so you get the built-in drawing features. Then, click Share. Zoom will switch your view to the whiteboard and display an annotation toolbar. Everyone in the meeting will now see your whiteboard canvas. This makes it easy to direct attention and keep the conversation centered on what you're creating. Now, use the drawing tools to write or draw. The toolbar typically includes a pen for freehand sketching, a highlighter for emphasis, shapes like lines, rectangles, and circles for clean diagrams, and a text tool for neat, readable notes. Use color and line thickness controls to organize information and make key points stand out. If you want to point something out without drawing, the spotlight or pointer tool is great for guiding eyes. You can also use undo and redo to fix mistakes quickly, and the eraser to clean up small areas. For clarity, use the text tool for titles and labels. Reserve brighter colors for emphasis, and keep your handwriting large and simple if you're sketching freehand. Participants will see updates in real time, and depending on the meeting settings, they may be able to annotate alongside you. That's it. Simple, effective, and perfect for collaborative work. Enjoy using the Zoom whiteboard to make your meetings clearer and more engaging.